Hi, my name is Sheronda Shores. I work for Wilson Art. I've been with the company for 25 years. I became a supervisor in 2019. And in the role as a supervisor, I took on additional roles, meaning I was a supervisor in the melamine sheeting department. I was a supervisor also in the assembly department. When I was first hired on, Wilson Art operated off of seniority. Now, as we move forward, Wilson Art select capable individuals that have training, experience, and knowledge to bring value to the company. When I became a foreman, I was the only female in a role in leadership in the warehouse. As striving forward in 2023, we have multiple females that are in leadership roles, not only in the manufacturing, but also in the office areas and our lab areas. So Wilson Art have expanded their diversity. Once you come to Wilson Art, just always know that it's a great company and don't let anything stop you from going in the direction you want. No matter if you start out as a temp, as a part-time, as a full-time on the floor, the doors will always open to you no matter what you choose or select.